that sweet you. Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to the quarantine vlogs. It is actually Friday today, and guess who's here?
Good Friday, oh.
Yep, this is a man who is off for Good Friday.
Cooking breakfast.
And this is a girl who is not. So, my dad is so sweetly cooking us up some sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits for breakfast today. Biscuits in there looking good, then butter biscuits. And then I've got to head to work. So I think many of you guys know that I am working from home. So I am in like our office / my beauty room doing my work. So yeah, this is gonna be a different type of weekend vlog because you're getting 3 days instead of just 2. And I don't think that we have anything large that we have to do at all, period. He's gotta cut some grass and we're gonna wash some cars. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, I've got to take mine to work. So, let us go, friends. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, what's up, guys? It is much later yet again. It's now like 6 o'clock, and we are running over to cut my granddad's hair for the week. And then we're gonna come back and grill out some chicken on the grill. Lord, I did not think he was going to stop. So, yeah. How's your day been?
Been good. Got a lot of work done outside. Lauren came over. We visited with her for a while.
Oh yeah, my sister just left for a little bit, so we hung out with her. So we were supposed to do this at like 4 o'clock, but we didn't. So. What are you doing? We didn't even see you in there.
I cut the grass today and
Lord.
that grass blew all up in my truck and made me mad.
Did you have your windows down?
Yeah, I let this window down.
Now why'd you do that?
I don't normally do that.
And that man is brushing his... Look.
Yeah.
This is where my dad gets it from, y'all.
That's
His
exactly
twin right here.
That's exactly right. That is exactly
You're so
right.
cute, Granddaddy. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good, and you?
Yeah. Oh,
How you doing?
so cute. Is Nana inside?
Yeah, he's in there. He's kissing.
Oh, look, y'all sitting out here in your lawn chair. He look, got his beach chairs out.
Yes, ma'am.
Woo, you busy. Woman, you clothed? Look at her right there. Oh, she's working, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm working.
You didn't have today off? Don't worry, me neither.
No, I didn't have the day off. I've been working every day.
Yeah.
Every day.
You look pretty though.
Thank you. Well, I figured if I get up and get dressed, then I felt like going to work.
Work day's over though, it's 6 o'clock.
That ain't over for me.
That's gonna be good. What did you do the mixture as?
I did some liquid aminos and brown sugar and honey.
That's gonna be good. Brandy, is that gonna be good? You hope you're gonna get a
Put that
piece?
little piece right there, look, somebody.
For Brandy.
Brandy right there.
Brandy Rose, are you excited? So I guess I would like it now. You're getting too good at doing that.
I'm the recorder. YouTubing.
You're a goober.
Yes,
Tell him you welcome back. You welcome him back to
I did not. Sit. 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 Stay. Stay.
She said, I cannot. he's a good girl. Oh, he said, what am I getting? Look at that boy. Good morning, buddy. You gotta welcome back to the vlog. Good
Welcome
morning.
back to the vlog. What did I say, vlog?
I don't know what you said. You were so
Vlog.
aggressive. Oh my God. Welcome back, everybody. Good morning. We did not film a lot yesterday, but there wasn't a lot going on. And we didn't watch Incredibles last night. We got sucked into watching lip sync.
Lip sync.
Lip syncing.
Lip.
What am I saying?
Limp. Like walking with a limp.
Lip sync battles on YouTube from Jimmy Fallon. That's what we got sucked into last night. It was fabulous. But so we are up again this morning. We have cooked the same breakfast from yesterday, so we're gonna eat some more biscuits, and we've paid my dad's tithes at the church that he attends. So we have gotten all is right so far this morning.
So far, so good.
And then he's got to go help out a friend and install a faucet. And while he does that, I'm going to stay here and edit a little bit so later we can get some of our work done.
We gotta wash cars today.
Oh, yeah.
And we gotta find somebody to inspect my car.
Do you want me to take your car over there while you go to so-and-so's house?
That might be a good idea.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll figure it out what we're doing anyways, but hope you guys are having a great day. Hope that you guys are having your own fun weekend, and we're going to eat our biscuits and watch some stuff about Disney on YouTube to make us a little happier.
Virtual Disney.
Yep.
An hour of it.
Is it an hour?
Yeah. We won't watch that much though.
Good God. Got my coffee in my mermaid mug, and we are ready to roll. Ready to roll. Okay, guys, so it's like 12 o'clock now. Wow, I'm good. And I just got home from running all the errands. My dad is not home yet. He's still over at those people's houses working on their sink. So I figured that I would get a jump start on doing the cars. So we've got mine and my dad's. He took my mom's car. So I'm gonna just get started. That way there'll be like less work for him to do later. And also that way, like once he gets home, hopefully I'll be like semi-close to done, so you can just help me knock it out and like do my mom's car, and then we can just kind of like hang out the rest of the day. So shout out, award for #1 daughter goes to me right here. So you're welcome, Troy Wayne. Yeah. So we came over here, we're riding bikes and stuff, and there are these houses being built like over in a different part of our neighborhood, and we like to come over here and like check them out, look around, and kind of like see their progress. So this is one that we kind of like the layout of, right? This is one of the ones we like the layout of. But it's like, this is just, you know, the foundation, like the bones of the house, I guess. Looks pretty cool, but we'll show you one of these kind of all done. But if you come over to where like the front door would be, this is how this is set out. So like you walk in and it's just hall, and then you turn here. It's a bathroom that is shared by a bedroom here and here, and then you come back out into the hallway and you get like a closet right here. We've been in a bunch of these, can you guys tell? This right here leads into what they consider the master bedroom, and you get the master closet and master bath. Boy, we don't follow on me like that. And then when you come in here, it's like living room, dining, kitchen. You get a pantry over in this area. You do washer and dryer here, and then it leads out through the garage. And we only know that because, like I said, we've been in about 1 million of them. And then the only thing that we don't like as much about these houses is their yard space is not a lot. This one actually has a fairly decent one though, honestly.
There's where the fire was.
Oh yeah, so remember in our last one, we told you guys there was a fire back here. You can see this dark area. That is where it was. It was literally, you can see it was on these trees right here, so close to a brand new house. Look how far it was back over that way.
It was 50 acres.
That's crazy. Okay, so now we're in one that has more of the stuff done. So I'm gonna close that so it doesn't bang on the wall. And so this is, like I said, when you come in to the thing, you'll do the bathroom that this room shares and that room shares. And then you walk in here. We love how wide the hallway is. And then this is like living room, kitchen. And they've got the cabinetries done in here. Oh.
That's short, isn't it?
There's something to it. But I love an island. Like that would be definitely something that I would want in a house because it's just way more counter space. So this is what it looks like. And I'm pretty sure this one has a big walk-in pantry. Yeah, I don't know how well you can see because it's gonna be dark, but I love the idea of a big walk-in pantry. And then it has, like I said, the dining little area right here. And this will be your living room. And then over here is the master, which I think is really wonderfully lit in this one. So closet. And then the bathrooms are pretty nice too. So it gives you these like sinks with a vanity table. And then you get both a shower and a tub. Morning everyone, happy Easter. Oh my goodness, look at our little Easter basket, so cute. That one's mine, ooh, that one's mine, and that one's my sister's. Oh, that's so cute. There it is. It looks kind of gross because someone didn't cut up the meat and the eggs.
Crazy.
So I had to do it in there. But this is cheese grits with 2 different kinds of sausage, fried egg, and potatoes. And that's what we're gonna have for breakfast. And I am team soupy grits, and that man over there likes his grits hard. Gross. Okay, you guys, we are back. It is like 2 o'clock now, and we just got done going on, what was that, like a 2 to 3 mile walk?
Yep.
2 to 3 mile walk. And we are now going to start prepping a little dessert we found on the Tim Tracker's YouTube channel, which I will link their channel down below, and I will take their directions for the recipe and put it down below for you guys. We're gonna make like some kind of slow cooker baked apple thing that they show. So my dad's right now, he's coring out the apples.
With my trusty ice cream scoop.
Yeah, so I don't know how it is where you guys live, but where we live, our county has deemed like non-essential items you can't go out and like purchase and browse. So like in our Walmart, for example, the only things that you can go in and shop for are food and like health. So like vitamins and things like that. They've roped off clothing, homeware, like all that stuff, and you're not allowed to go in there and look. I think people were going around and like browsing too much, and so they really wanted to make people stay home. So we couldn't find like an apple core because that's what would have gotten, but we're making it work. And so you have to do the apples and you have to put them in the slow cooker, and I'm going to mix up the mixture that you put in there, and they get like warm.
I can actually fix 2 more.
You want to just finish them?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you cook them and then you eat them with like ice cream or whatever. So I'm gonna get working on that. Like I said, I'll put the recipe down below if you guys want to try it, and I'll let you know later if it's good. I'm hoping it's gonna be good. Wow. I kind of look like a man. I do. I kind of look like I got a hint of mustache. That's because I do. Ooh, anyways, you guys. Our power's out. It's like 7:30 now. We were like literally in the middle of eating dinner. My sister stopped by and the power went out. And it's not going to be on probably till like 10 o'clock. So we're not watching movies. We're not doing anything. I'm eventually going to open the freezer one time to get the ice cream for my apple dessert thing that smells so good. Okay, you guys, so this is what the dessert looks like. It kind of looks gross, and they warn you of that in the video that they do it. But that's what it looks like. Vanilla ice cream. And I'm so excited. Oh my God. I just want to taste the center part first. Mm. That's pretty good. Oh my gosh, did you see that? Mm-mm. The apple just like literally cut so easy. Look at that.
Thank you, Dad, for making a great apple.
All you did was core it.
But that's where the important part is.
Do this. Oh God.
Hot.
Ooh, hot and cold.
Yeah.
You are making a mess.
Oh man. That is so good. Oh my gosh, it's like perfectly mushy.
What does it taste like apple pie?
Kind of, but like pecans. Okay, guys, but since the power has gone out and the sun is setting, I'm gonna go ahead and end this weekend's quarantine vlog right here. Thank you so much for watching. We really did hope you enjoyed. If you did, you guys know the drill. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell if you would like to be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And you can also come follow your girl on Instagram, where I have literally not posted in over a week. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!